Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I will be making another one of the flex rubber. So it is by Let's Resin. It is their new kit, and actually it's been some time now, but it was out of stock and a lot of you were asking me about if it's in stock back. So it is available. I will link everything in my description. So it is really a fun kit for kids. They can make so many lovely squishies out of this. So actually the kit comes with a mold, this one that I'm showing here, but I am trying to make something different variations, and this is going to be a Halloween theme. So here I have mixed the flex rubber. So it is actually a silicone, but it is really soft. And now I'm going to it's 1 to 1. It is bubble free and very easy to mix. You need to mix it around 4 to 5 minutes. So the colors that you can add into the flex rubber is the mica powder. So I'm using this mica powder here. So as I'm told you that I'm making a Halloween theme, so I'm going with the gunmetal black powder here. So I've already mixed my silicone, but I'm going to add this mica powder now, and after that I will be mixing it again. Just make sure that you mix the mica powder really well. So I have previously made a video on this as well, and I made a very cute hamster. So I will link that video also. So I think it is properly mixed now. So I will be making a hamster today, plus the new mold that I bought. So I'm super excited to try. So a tragedy happened here, and I thought this mold is going to be a lot bigger. So I know this happens to a lot of resin artists, and it happened to me as well. But all in all, it's fine. I'm going to try this one also. So I'm pouring it. It is really fine consistency. You don't have any issue in pouring. So it do captures the finer details also. And then I will be pouring some more into the hamster mold. So I will leave this to cure, and it is getting cold. So I think I will be demolding this tomorrow. So see you next day. So this is the next day. I'm super excited to demold. But before demolding, I'm going to prepare my fluff powder. So the fluff powder that I'm going to use here is going to be the black color. And this is the box that come in the kit. So you pour the powder into the box, and then you put your actual item and then just move it, or you can use a brush also. So squishy, 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 because it is a soft silicone and it is already cured, but very lightly, very gently, I'm removing it out of the mold. And fingers crossed that it comes in one piece, although it will come out in one piece, but the silicone is so soft that you think that you're going to damage it, but no, don't worry about that. So this is such a stress relieving sort of, you can say, craft item. I just love to create stuff out of it. Here we go. It is out of the mold, and it is a very cute kitten mold. And now you can see all the details, that how beautifully it has captured it. So since it's Halloween, I'm going to make it a black cat. So that's why I used the black fluff powder. Now I'm going to dump this into the box. But before doing that, I'm going to add a little bit of blush on onto the ears and the cheeks, and plus a little on the nose, just to create the cuteness. Here we go. And then it's going into the fluff powder. And now I'm going to move this. So the fluff powder covers all of the kitten. So make sure that you apply the powder equally on all sides. So after doing the kitten, it is looking so cute already. I'm going to use this purple fluff powder for my hamster. So same way, I'm going to remove this out of the mold. So the hamster is out of the mold. Again, I'm going to use the blush powder for the cheeks, nose, and on the hands just to enhance the cuteness more. Although this is going to be a zombie hamster. And now we're going to have the fluff bath here. So after doing the fluffy thing, I'm going to make the eyes, and for my eyes I'm going to use this mold here. It's because it has a lot of sizes of cabochons. So to the UV resin, I'm going to add red mica powder. So if you have already mixed red UV resin, you can use that. But if you don't, I'm just showing you that you can add mica powder to your UV resin. In this way, you can color it. So after mixing, I'm going to pour this into the smallest cabochon, and after that, I will cure this under the UV lamp. So the eyes are done now. Again, I'm going to pour a little bit of UV resin and I'm going to apply on the eyes of the hamster, and then I'm going to put these, as I told you that this is going to be a zombie hamster, so that's why just putting a little bit onto each eyes. This is such a cute mold, this hamster mold. Every time I make this, it's just so fun. And very carefully, I'm going to put these eyes. Yes, I know it is going to be a creepy one. If I had put a black one, it would be turned into a cuter one, but then this is going to be Halloween hamster. And then I will cure this under the UV lamp and this will be done. And for my kitten, I just painted the eyes. So I mixed the UV resin, I mixed the black mica into the UV resin, and then with the help of a little toothpick, I just made the eyes. So this is how it's looking like. And on the other hand, I made another kitten. So it's the same process. I just mixed some orange mica powder into the silicone and then poured it into the, because I think two were going to be cute kittens. So in this way, I did it. And then I cured it under the UV lamp. And this is the orange one done already. And this is the cute hamster. I'm going to put this here. So I'm going to show you all of them. The dropping is so fun. It's just blob itself onto the surface. And this is the one that I made before. So I thought I'm going to put them both here. And this is the cute kitten. The kitten actually turned out to be so cute also. And all hair tucked with the hamsters. So I'm going to use the witch hat that I made with the resin. So these are going on the hamster here. So this is are going to be on the zombie one. So this is a witch hamster and this is a cute pumpkin, which I think I would given it a pumpkin to hold. And these are our cute hamsters. So these are the hamster done, but do watch the video because I have another idea for the orange kitten that I made. So I'm going to show that one also. But before, I'm just showing you the hamster because these are done now. And here is the kitten, and look at the cuteness of this face of the kitten after applying the eyes. So this is a squishy, it has fluff on it, and now I can play with this kitten. Actually, this product is so amazing. It's like a lifelike animal you have, a pet, and I just love this one. And here is the orange one, and now I really didn't knew that I just placed them like that, and this was looking so amazing and adorable, so I had to capture the moment. Brilliantly cute. And now I wanted to give bat wings to one of my kittens, so that's what I drew onto the paper. And now I'm going to use the UV resin, and then I will be drawing it. So this is a baking paper that we use for baking, so the resin do peel off very nicely. So after curing, this is how it's looking like. So I use some acrylic paint, and then I just applied it onto the wings. And now the kittens are done now, so let's see the final look. This is the final look for this cute kitten. I give it a witch hat, and then this is the orange one. It has the bat wings. So this is here all done now, and I just wanted to make kittens for Halloween, and yeah, plus the hamster. So this is how they turned out. I really love the mold of this kitten here. If it had been a little bigger, I think it would turn out to be more cuter, but I think the smaller ones are also really cute. So I'm sure you have enjoyed these, and I enjoyed making these also. Any feedback and suggestions are always welcome. Like, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.